Affiliating with Pandabuy involves becoming a partner to promote their products and earning commissions on resulting sales. To get started, visit the Pandabuy website and search for their affiliate program. Register by providing necessary information and agreeing to terms. Upon arrival, access affiliate tools like unique referral links, banners, and marketing materials. Embed these on your website, social media, or blogs to attract potential customers. Focus on content that aligns with Pandabuy's products, ensuring it's engaging and informative. Highlight the benefits of the products and the value they offer to potential buyers. Track your referral performance through the provided dashboard. This allows you to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Regularly analyze this data to refine your marketing strategies. To optimize earnings, consider creating targeted campaigns, leveraging SEO techniques, and utilizing various marketing channels. Remember to adhere to ethical practices and disclose your affiliate status to maintain transparency with your audience. By effectively leveraging your platform, content, and the provided tools, you can successfully affiliate with Pandabuy and earn commissions based on the sales generated through your referrals.